How to create KuCoin account. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you're going to be able to create a KuCoin account for yourself so you can easily go ahead and see all the crypto market that there is today on the blockchain. Okay, and we're going to be talking about it in great detail because KuCoin brings you the greatest features to work on with when it comes to spot trading, buying crypto derivatives, KuCoin earn, margin trading, trading bot, and a whole lot more. We're going to be talking about it all in this video. So please do make sure to keep watching till the end. Now, before we begin, I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for general information and educational purposes only. Leverage trading is highly risky and is not recommended for inexperienced traders. Never risk money that you can't afford to lose. Okay, so to start things off, what we're going to be doing is we're going to come over to kucoin.com, obviously. Now, over here, if you want to go ahead and create an account, please, first of all, do make sure to check the link in the description below where I've also provided you a referral code. Now, what that link will do is it will help you create an account on a discount with the referral code that I've given in the description. The code is rPZPDJD. Okay, you can check it in the description below and use it right now. So to start things off, we're going to come over to the sign up section. And once we're in the sign up section, here it's going to bring us to the account creation center. Now over here, we're going to add in our email and phone number, just like this. And once we do that, we're going to agree to their terms and click on create account and claim award. Now, once we're done with that, it's going to give us a verification. If we are a human, we're going to go ahead and select that. And once that is done, it's going to send us a quick verification code onto our email. So just wait ahead for that verification code, and once you get the verification code, you're simply going to go ahead and add it into the verification section. Now, I got my code. It is 438264, and once that is done, it's going to ask us to keep a password, just like this. And once you add a password for yourself, you're finally going to go ahead and click on confirm. All right. And once you click on confirm, from there on out, what's going to happen is you're going to be good to go and you're going to be signed in straight into the account. Then it says, what's next? Verify your account to enable deposits, crypto purchases, and trading. So I'm going to go ahead and click on verify now, where it's going to ask me to verify my proper account, where I'm going to be doing all my billing, my wallet, how my crypto is going to be going in and out, and a whole lot more. Okay, so here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to click on verify. And what it will do is it will tell you to use the app for quicker, hassle-free verification, which I can't second that because KuCoin does give you a very quick verifying procedure through the application. But if you want to choose to do it on the browser, you're going to simply click on continue on browser. Then moving on, you're going to choose your country and you're going to select your ID type. Now, it could be your passport, ID card, or driver's license. The more recommended suggestion is your ID card, because ID card will be much easier and much better to work on. Then you're just going to add your first name, your last name, your ID number, and then it's just going to take you through the ID and face verification. And that will be about it when it comes to your verification. Your account should be verified in maybe a few hours or maybe a few days, depending on where you live and what time zone you accessed KuCoin's account at. But once you're verified, it's obviously going to give you the identity verification notification over here, as well as also let you know in your email. But once all of that is done, let's get into the main features of KuCoin. So this is your main KuCoin dashboard. In your main KuCoin dashboard up here, you're going to be able to see your email, your ID. You're going to see the security on your account that you can obviously increase by enabling more things like your mobile phone, trading password, and Google verification, but more of that later. Down here, you're going to be able to see your assets, okay? Here are the assets that are going to be stored into your KuCoin wallet. Now, your KuCoin wallet, my KuCoin wallet currently has 0 USDT, but you can easily go ahead and deposit some in it by clicking on deposit. And what this will do is it will take you into the asset coins section, and you can deposit it through different various ways. You can deposit it through any other wallet that you might have. You can deposit it through any other fiat account that you have. It's pretty simple. So just choose your cryptocurrency from here, make sure your account is verified, and you are good to go. So that is how the account deposit trading is done. And moving on, you can also buy crypto in the same way. So you're going to come up here and click on buy crypto. Once you click on buy crypto, you have all these features over here. So you have fast trade, P2P, third party, and fiat deposit. Now, in my opinion, Kucoin is one of the best softwares out there because of the amount of features and robust activities it gives you to do when it comes to crypto trading and fiat partnership. So we have fast trade, where you can buy crypto straight from your credit card. Then you have P2P, which is basic bank transfer. Then you have third party, where you can use softwares like Banksa, Simplex, and BTC Direct. And then finally, you have fiat deposit, where you can top up a fiat balance via your bank transfer. So that's pretty incredible stuff. Then you can move down here where you can see this graph chart, okay? And in this graph chart, you can see all the cryptocurrencies and how they have dropped or increased in the last 24 hours with the latest 4-hour trends as well. So let's say we're going to come over to Bitcoin, right? So the Bitcoin right now is going at $65,728, and we want to trade in it. So if you want to trade in Bitcoin, you're going to come over here to trade. Now there's two types of trading, spot and bot trading. Spot trading is your general trading that you do through pipelines. Bot trading is mainly AI automated trading that you're going to give it a set amount and then it's going to trade for you overnight. But I would definitely suggest spot trading because spot trading is much more trustworthy and much better when it comes to, distributing your money, when it comes to actual blockchain deposits. So once you click on actual spot trading, it's going to open you up into this section where you're going to see the pipelines. Now, obviously, if you're an experienced and professional trader, you definitely know what pipelines are and how they're used and how you can actually correlate their features with each other. So you can see how the pipelines are working on each cryptocurrency. And for any pipeline that you think is going high or low, you can buy or sell the currency at whatever price you want. And you can also choose the currency you want to swap by it with. So pretty standard and pretty easy stuff to get your head around. And these features are something that makes your trading level go very high because of how quick and fast featured it is. Okay. And moving on, you can also go over to the market section in Kucoin. The market section is again like the graph chart section where you can see the whole crypto market on how the cryptocurrencies currently are doing. Okay. Obviously, you can see all the stable coins you have like USDT or any other USDC coin. You can see the spot trading coins. And then there's also the futures trading. Now, futures trading is also pretty important because cryptocurrency futures are one of the derivatives of crypto assets. This is where the buyer and sellers agree to buy or sell a specific cryptocurrency at a specific price in the future to gain profits. It can hedge risks and amplify returns through leverage. Kucoin futures currently offers two types of products. You have USDT margined, okay, which is also known as forward contracts settled in USDT or USDC, or you have coin margin futures, okay? And you can find those right here. So coin margin futures are basically known as inverse contracts settled in cryptocurrencies. So if you want to actually go ahead and trade in your futures market, whether the market is rising or falling, users can profit by going long or short in futures. Simply put, futures trading involves opening a position, gaining, losing on the position, and then closing it. Only after closing the position, the profit loss will be settled and reflected in the balance. So that's pretty much all there is when it comes to talking about Kucoin. So that is how you're going to create an account using Kucoin. And do make sure to check the link down in the description below and use the referral code that I have provided you because that will give you a discount when it comes to creating an account on Kucoin. So that's pretty much about it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a nice comment down if you understood this video. It will help me out a lot, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.